MSI Alpha 17 inches 144Hz gaming laptop AMD Ryzen 7 5800H 16GB RAM 512GB SSD AMD Radeon RX 6600M 8GB GDDR6 Price $1,427.95. Designed to deliver the highest performance, AMD's newest Ryzen 9 7945H X processes with Zen 4 core architecture on the cutting-edge 5nm manufacturing node. Powered by 16 cores and 32 threads, designed to deliver the absolute highest performance you can get on a mobile processor. GeForce RTX 40 series laptops beyond fast. NVIDIA registered GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs power the world's fastest laptops for gamers and creators. Built with the ultra-efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, they bring a quantum leap in performance with AI-powered DLSS 3 and enable lifelike virtual worlds with full ray tracing. Plus, the Max-Q suite of technologies optimizes system performance, power, battery life, and acoustics for peak efficiency. AI-powered PERFORMANCEAND lifelike graphics get a quantum leap in performance in games and creative apps with AI-powered DLSS 3 and enable lifelike virtual worlds with full ray tracing. Ray tracing hyper-realistic cheaper fast. The Ada architecture unleashes the full glory of ray tracing, which simulates how light behaves in the real world. With the power of RTX 40 series and 3rd General RT cores, you can experience incredibly detailed virtual worlds like never before. Optimized power and performance. NVIDIA Max-Q is an advanced suite of AI-powered technologies that optimize your system for peak efficiency. This enables blazing fast laptops that are thin, quiet, and have amazing battery life. Wi-Fi 7 Ready delivers next-gen wireless. Qualcomm Wi-Fi 7 provides multi-gigabit performance with peak speeds of up to 5.8 gigabits per second on both 5 and 6 GHz connections, delivering massive throughput gains with 320 MHz channel bandwidths. Users can enjoy ultra-low latency with only 2 milliseconds delay and jitter-free experiences even with multiple links. The 6 GHz spectrum offers additional capacity gains for better performance. Unmatched visuals. MSI gaming laptops are tailored for gamers. With high resolution and fast refresh rate, experience lifelike gaming and buttery smooth gameplay. Reforged cooling solution shared pipe design. Introducing the new shared pipe design, the heat pipes attached to both the CPU and GPU to help improve the thermal capability under extreme loads. Combined with MSI Cooler Boost 5, enjoy any gaming sessions. MSI OVERBOOST technology unleashed the power. Experience the 195W full power on the Alpha 17 C7V. With MSI laptops, the CPU and GPU capabilities pushes the limits without sacrificing frequency or stability. Perky RGB gaming keyboard by SteelSeries. Customize each key to your liking and receive real-time in-game status through keyboard lighting, or even watch the lights dance to your favorite tune. The way music should be, immerse yourself in lossless music and enjoy the premium sound quality with high-resolution audio. Experience and listen to audio the way it was intended. At the leading edge of speed, faster memory read-write speed on DDR5 memory, which leads to accelerated performance across every aspect of this laptop. Accelerate the game, delivering up to 7.88 GB per second bandwidth. PCIe General 4 SSD on Alpha 17 C7 volts makes tasks from large games to heavy load projects a breeze to load. SteelSeries GG. Transform your keyboard into a command center by combining multiple keys into one key command, and sync across all SteelSeries gears. Day to night battery. The 99.9 Wh battery capacity is packed to the legal flight limit. Use it anywhere with longer runtime. Get all the buffs. The exclusive MSI Center helps you control and customize your MSI laptop the way you want. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech updates.